HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This project is a simple portfolio-style website that demonstrates my understanding of modern web design and responsive layout techniques. First, I structured the website using HTML. It includes different sections such as a navigation bar, a hero section, an about section, a project section, and a footer. Each section is organized clearly to improve user experience. For styling, I used CSS. I applied a clean color scheme and used Flexbox and Grid to create layouts. For example, the navigation bar uses Flexbox to align items, and the project cards section uses CSS Grid to display multiple cards in a responsive way. I also made the website fully responsive using media queries. This ensures the website works properly on mobile, tablet, and desktop screens. The layout adjusts automatically depending on screen size. In the hero section, I implemented a blurred background image using CSS filter and overlay techniques. This creates a modern visual effect while keeping the text clear and readable. I also added a sticky navigation bar using Position Sticky, so it stays visible while scrolling, improving user navigation. Additionally, I used basic JavaScript to add interactivity, such as button-click actions. Overall, this project helped me strengthen my skills in HTML, CSS, responsive design, and basic JavaScript.